Hi, I'm a stickman. No bones, no face, no fashion sense, but a head full of questions. The kind of questions that make scientists say, please stop emailing us. What if the moon disappeared? What if the world was in slow motion? What if tsunami hit your city? Or what if asteroid hit Earth? Welcome to Stickman's What If, where science meets absurdity, and they both get very confused. We take bizarre ideas, run them through science, and see what breaks first. The planet or my ability to draw hands? Just kidding, I don't even have hands. Each episode starts with a ridiculous what if. Then we run simulations, do math, get carried away, and accidentally blow up a fictional planet or two. We cover all the stuff textbooks don't have time for. Why buildings collapse without oxygen? What happens if the Earth stops spinning? Why toilets secretly depend on the moon? This is not your average science channel. This is the stick figure multiverse, where questions are dumb, answers are real, and the moon is suspiciously absent. So if you like fun facts, cosmic catastrophes, and cartoons that don't blink, this is Stickman's What If. Stupid questions, smartish answers. Subscribe, stick around,